Every learner, especially those entering the workforce for the first time, has the right to feel safe at work. As a supervisor, it's critical you manage risk around your learner and teach them how to behave safely in your workplace. 15 young workers are injured in New South Wales every day. Young learners are vulnerable because the planning, risk and decision-making part of their brains is still developing. They are high risk takers, have overconfidence in their ability, and are influenced by peer group pressure. However, safety hazards aren't limited to our young. Mature age learners can be complacent because of previous work experience or conditioned behaviours from past roles. How can you look out for your learner's safety? Number 1, ensure your learner wears and uses correct personal protective equipment, however daggy or uncomfortable it may be. Number 2, give your first year learner your full attention and supervise them on a 1-to-1 ratio. Number 3, never leave your learner alone. You may be thinking this was your experience when you were an apprentice, but times have changed, and so has the law. Your learner should always be directly supervised by somebody who is experienced and qualified. Your signature on the training contract legally binds you to these safety obligations. What if these safety requirements aren't met? It will cost you. There's severe penalties for breaches of the Work Health and Safety Act. The maximum penalty is $3 million. Safety problems will occur in your workplace because many apprentices and trainees have little experience in the world of work. With proper equipment, coaching and supervision, we can guide our learners to habitually perform their work safely. Together, we must ensure every learner who heads off to work in the morning returns home safely to his or her family at night.